Hi, in this presentation I'm going to talk about power regeneration in the ELR, in the Cadillac ELR, and how aggressive power regeneration is when driving with your drive selector in the L position, as opposed to just a D or drive position. What the screen you're looking at right now shows my car. I'm in the process of slowing down right now because I took my foot off of the accelerator and I engage the Regen on demand paddles behind the steering wheel, and I am not touching the brake. I have about 4 or 5 slides showing the same thing, the same scenario under different circumstances. And here's another one. Right now, total power is minus 18 kW, and like I said in a previous presentation, when you're regenerating power, that number, the total power, turns negative. The more negative it is, then the more power that's being generated back into the system. As opposed to when you're driving. When you're driving and you have your foot on the accelerator, as we know, it's a positive number. The negative sign goes away. If you're accelerating, it just goes higher and higher. It's a higher positive number without the negative sign. Okay, but anyway, in this particular slide here, I am once again slowing down. I'm in the L position, and my drive selector is in the L position, and I engage the Regen on demand paddles also. And here's another situation. Once again, total power is a negative number. This time it's negative 28 kW. I'm driving as usual in the L position. And once again, I'll repeat myself. The power regeneration is much more aggressive when driving in the L position as opposed to just being in D. And we need that. We need that to recoup as much power as we possibly can when we have to slow down or adjust our speed or stop. Here's another one. Total power is this time is minus 19 kW. And this is a slide showing where my car is it's plugged in, and what I did in this particular case was I energized the screen I energized the dash without actually starting the vehicle to be drivable. I just energized the screen because I want to see what the power flow was like when the car is plugged in to a receptacle and being charged. And it's minus 0.5 kW. And that's why it takes so long to charge, I think, is because the power flow is relatively low. And the high numbers that we saw, or the deep negative numbers that we saw when I was slowing down, I think we all know that we need that to be as aggressive as possible when we're trying to regenerate power, because that will greatly increase our electric range. But again, this screen is when my car is charged, just plugged in and charging, and you see the drive selectors in park. As a matter of fact, speaking of that, I don't believe you can move out of park if your car is plugged into a receptacle, if the power cord is connected. And that's it. I just wanted to cover how power regeneration attempts to pay us back by increasing our range, and compare that to the low power flow of charging a vehicle. And that's it. Thank you for watching.